Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello friends, welcome to all of you. In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you a short trick in Microsoft Office Word, which is about how to type Allah in Arabic, or you may say Urdu, how to type Allahu Akbar in Arabic, how to type Muhammad in Arabic, how to type Rasul in Arabic, and how to type Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in Arabic. So let's start. If you want to type Allah, then type FDF2 and press Alt plus X. For example, FDF2 and press Alt plus X. If you want to type Muhammad, then type FDF4 and press Alt plus X. For example, FDF4 and press Alt plus X. If you want to type Rasul in Arabic, then type FDF6 and press Alt plus X. For example, FDF6 and press Alt plus X. If you want to type Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, then type FDFA and press Alt plus X. For example, FDFA and press Alt plus X. If you want to type Akbar, then type FDF3 and press Alt plus X. For example, type FDF3 and press Alt plus X.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.